Hello. Right. First things first, it's my birthday, so wish me a happy birthday. Unless you watch this after my birthday, in which case, get a time machine, go back in time, watch the video on my birthday, then wish me a happy birthday. It's not hard. What next? Okay, since some of the other videos, I have been quite literally bombarded with one message asking to see my swords. So I thought, what the fuck, you know, might as well do that, eh? If whatever, that word, if. Yeah, it's like 20 to 10 and I've been drinking for a while, so shut up. We're done. Yeah, swords, right there. Don't go anywhere. Oh, I hate moving, I'm getting old. Oh, I'm back, ish. That's not a sword. That's a sock. Some swords. There's some more. Some more. And the last two. Oh, I tell you that I'm getting old. Anyway. So. This first one. It's not a sword. It's just a. It's like a hunting knife. I like the serratedness. So that's that. That one away. And you got this one, which is it's also a hunting knife. Alright, look, it says it right there. Hunter's knife, okay? So, yeah. They're like the, as soon as I decide to put this one back in. There we are. They're the decorative ones, you know, that just are for show. They don't do anything. Swords. Alright, where to start? I'll start with the, smaller ones. There are like two identically ones, these small baby swords. As you can see. So that's them. Do the whole cliche. It's like a knife and fork. You can eat with these. Possibly not though. So that's them. We got this one, which is a cavalry saber or something. As you can see, a bit longer, bit longer, bit longer, bit longer. There, down to there. So yeah, that's that one. It's another nice sword. I like this one. Oh, shouldn't throw them. I won't throw them. And we got this one, which is another sword, obviously. I like this one too. Not as long, really. You know, put it on the shoulder, as you can see, it's about like that long, sort of thing. I can put it back. Yeah, I do. Then we got this one, which I do again like, as you can see. Once again, not that long. Sort of that length. Yeah, but it's a nice one. Right, another ornamental one is this one. It's like very ornamental. You cannot do anything with this one. It is just for show. Yeah, as you can see. I like it though because it looks nice. Alright, the second and last one. I'm sorry if I'm boring you. This one is a Japanese one. The dragon! Again, it's a nice little normal sword. Like that. Which is nice. I obviously had to save the best one till last. A lot of you might know what this is, a lot of you won't. Although it is a sword, it's also a double-bladed one. Yeah. So, you can all kind of, you know, if you know what film it's from, awesome. And the thing I like about this one, you can't really see it, but it reaches down to the elbow. So that's nice. It's a beautiful sword. Definitely my favourite. By far. With a nice wooden scabbard. So there you have it. I've wasted so much of my cigarette. So there we are. Also got a couple of axes and a pair of nunchucks somewhere, but I can't even use nunchucks. So there you have it. Yeah, cheers for watching. Hope that one person was happy with the swords. Was it worth it? No. Okay, so yeah, that's me done. Alright. Except I can't move my mouse to press the stop button. Oh, wait, no, wait. Okay, now I'm good.